Are you looking to add a touch of serene beauty to your green space? Meet Hydrangea arborescens, also called smooth hydrangea. This delightful shrub promises to transform your garden into a lush haven. It has big, snowball-like flowers, really a cluster of flowers, that will add pops of brightness to your space throughout the entire summer. Let's take a look at the smooth hydrangea's characteristics. Because this type of hydrangea blooms only on new wood, meaning new growth, cutting back the stems by 1/3 in early spring will encourage robust growth and a bounty of blooms. In summer, smooth hydrangeas flaunt large mop-head flowers that just command attention. While this hydrangea has been historically one with white flowers, we now have alternatives like pinks and greens to choose from. Bonus, besides providing garden interest, they help feed bees and other pollinators. Double bonus, they're great for both fresh cut and dried flower arrangements. In the fall, the leaves turn golden yellow and orange, while the big blooms turn a soft, dusty gold and start to dry. When color is faded and the leaves have all dropped off, the dried flower heads add interesting texture to your winter garden. So, where does the smooth hydrangea thrive? For the happiest plant, pick a spot with morning sun and afternoon shade that offers moist but not soggy soil. Here are your smooth hydrangea plant-a-glance details. A couple of interesting side notes. Besides smooth hydrangeas, other types include big leaf, panicle, oak leaf, climbing, and mountain hydrangeas. Some grow on new wood, some on old wood. It's important to know which is which before pruning. Also, you may have heard you can change hydrangea bloom colors by adjusting the acidity level in your soil. That is not true with smooth hydrangeas. With these, you only get the colors they were intended to be. The smooth hydrangea is low maintenance, forgiving, and absolutely stunning. Whether it's the charming blooms, the wildlife benefits, or its easygoing nature, this shrub is sure to win a spot in your heart and your garden. Visit your friends at Reston Farm Garden Market for all of your gardening needs. And happy gardening!